SpaceFlex connects every stakeholder in the real estate ecosystem through dedicated applications. Property owners access real-time income, expenses, collections, and occupancy through the Owner app, without depending on management teams for updates. Agents use their mobile app to manage inventory, leads, site visits, follow-ups, and performance, ensuring accountability and faster deal closures. Tenants access contracts, payment schedules, receipts, and maintenance requests through the Tenant app, reducing front office dependency and improving satisfaction. Maintenance and inspection teams receive structured work orders with clear scope, notifications, and tracking, ensuring consistency, transparency, and faster resolution. Everyone works from one system. No gaps, no silos, no guesswork.